This is your CBSLA.com news brief.
Hello and welcome to your CBSLA.com news brief. I'm Juan Fernandez. An elderly woman is recovering after being shot in the leg during a home invasion robbery in Beverly Hills. Police say 3 masked men forced their way into her home. Her husband was tied up but wasn't hurt. This sea lion, rescued overnight by 4 Huntington Beach police officers, has died. The fishing line caught around his neck caused too deep of a cut into his trachea for him to survive. Hundreds of people got rid of unwanted guns during LA's gun buyback program. People gave their weapons to officers at 4 different locations, and in exchange, they got free gift cards. And 36 plastic Angry Bird orbs were filled with cash at Hermosa Beach today. It was the very latest find from @Hidden Cash. He said he'll continue his Twitter scavenger hunt tomorrow, Sunday. For the very latest on these stories and your news any time of day, stay with CBSLA.com. Now here's Chief Meteorologist Josh Rubenstein with a check on weather.
I'm loving this hidden cash, dude. I love it. Take a look. 83 for your high tomorrow. We're going to see some warmer temperatures as we close out the weekend tomorrow at 83. High pressure building in. Then on Monday, we've got more of an onshore flow kicking in. It's going to be a little cooler. Got temperatures dropping into the 70s. And we will bottom out on Wednesday at 74 before things start to warm up again with another ridge here in Southern California. Back to you.
All right, Josh, thank you. And that's your CBSLA.com news brief. Remember, we are always on. And click Listen Live on our webpage to hear KNX News Radio and our other stations live anywhere you are.